Are you coughing and you don't know why, but you are on medications for high blood pressure? Well, hear this. ACE inhibitors like ramipril and enalapril, any of those meds that end with a pril can cause dry chronic cough. Also, ARBs like losartan or medications that ends with tan can also give you this weird side effect. So your blood pressure might be well controlled, but then the cough you have might be telling you something about the medications you're using to control the blood pressure. Let your doctor know you're on them.